guys, it's me, Russian Inventor, and today is a different kind of video. We're coming to this Landels Elementary School. As you can see, all of this closed. Yeah, because it's summer and they're repairing all the school. Yeah, and I'm also not alone today. I have my brother. He also has a channel. It's called Lego Workshop. Subscribe to him. It's over here somewhere. Gonna be okay. So let's go to the school itself. Okay, guys. So we were walking around the school to find a little entrance or gap between the wall, and we found this entrance. Look at this. So, okay, now I'm inside of this repairing Landels Elementary School. We should talk really quiet because maybe there's some work going on around here and they can catch us, so and we will get in big trouble, so we should be really quiet. Okay, we should be really quiet right now. Look, so as you can see, they're repairing this. You can see the stereo. It's probably the stereo, and the bell is gonna. When the bell is gonna ring, the sound is gonna come from here.
You know what it looks like? Your speaker, but much bigger.
Okay, look. There's different containers. All the rooms are actually open, so we can walk in them. Okay, look. There's a lot of boxes over here. It's
a cool place. Let's go.
Look, it says room number 5 on the box. So they probably put their stuff in those boxes, like desks and tables and all that. Okay.
They all say room 5.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so all of those are probably from room 5. Okay, let's go inside of this room. Guys, look at this. Here. Look. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. This is super cool. Guys, look. This old door, this old wall is just put away. Oh my god. Look, this is a book somewhere over here. Okay, let's go away from here. Wait, let's go over here. Look. Oh my god. Oh, this is the wall which was probably.
Wait, let's go back.
Look. This is the tractor or some kind of machine that was probably broken the.
Sit on it.
Don't.
Who's going to sit on it?
No, don't.
Just sit on it. Don't touch it.
No, what if we touch something by accident and then it starts riding?
You really?
Oh my god, this is another room.
You have to sit on it.
Look. Oh, this is probably bathrooms.
Yeah.
Look, this is a paper. Okay.
Where's the bathrooms?
We should be really careful. Wait, is water coming over here? Oh yeah, there's a water. Let's go away from here. Bro, look, there's wires. Okay, let's go away. Don't. Okay, go.
It's closed.
Okay, let's go. I can't believe we actually get inside of this bobcat. I don't think we should post a clown on this. Okay.
What is this?
Okay. Wait, there's the wires. Be careful. Oh. Okay. Where else? Look, this is another room.
They're all like the same.
Yeah, they're all the same.
We don't have to go literally. Let's go right to the office.
You heard something there? What was that? I heard something.
No one.
Yeah, there's no one. Toilets are closed. There's another one. There's another tractor.
This one is bigger.
Yeah, this one is more powerful.
I want to see it.
Don't! Okay, let's go.
It's still not going to work because you need
Oh
to
my
see
god, look. What's this?
selfie stick.
Selfie stick. There's another one. Okay, let's get out of here because...
Wait, this one doesn't have that thing.
What?
This one doesn't have that thing.
Oh, there are other little room? Okay, let's go.
Wait, what is this one?
Is it closed? No. Wait, I heard somebody over there.
It just lives. Let's
Okay.
win.
Wind. Oh, this is like electricity room.
There is a big...
So there's a other wire which goes over there.
Wait, let's check.
No, don't go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Look. Oh, there's a nail. Over there, down at the bottom. We should be really careful, guys.
There was a wind.
What do you think? Is there anybody in the office?
I don't think so. Let's check it.
Oh no, I heard somebody. Guys, this is really scary. Okay, guys, turns out this was just a piece of paper over there, which were like wobbling because of the wind. Okay, but what if it has an alarm on it? If it has an alarm on it, then the police is coming for us. Okay, let's try. We're all doing it for you subscribers.
Yeah. It's closed.
Okay, it's closed.
Wait, there is another entry to the office.
We should be really careful. Okay,
There is actually 3 entries. This one and the other one. Is this one closed?
look, the papers. Yeah, I think all of them are closed. This is just
There's someone there.
no.
I'm
Okay,
sure
let's
there
check.
is.
Let's check. Look. Different light system. Don't go. Okay, let's.
See, there's 3rd entry to the office.
Look, look.
Let's
It's all.
try.
Shh, shh, shh. There's something inside. Look, the sound is so funny. Wait for me. Okay, let's go. Let's see that room.
No.
Oh no. Okay, you can see over here what's inside.
Okay. Does that door protect it right now?
Let's go. My brother is a worker right now. Look at this. This is all in Landels. Okay, let's go. I heard somebody. Did you heard something?
That's me.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, I should have.
Wait. I'm going to climb on that.
Okay, let's go. Be careful. Good job. Now get out of there. Wait, there's another room open. There's another room open.
I can feel it. What is it?
Whoa, look, there's the school door. Guys, look, the school door.
Wait, what is it? It's a door.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, it's a door.
Guys, this is the school door. Look.
It is simple. Oh, you know where to get a door. A free one.
My brother's a king. I'm sorry.
Super close.
This is super close. Guys, we're making so much noise that people are gonna probably find us. No. I'm holding a camera in one of my hands, so it's really hard to control it. This skate.
There's one.
Here was a lost and found, but now there's only like.
Okay. Wait, let's put them back. Where they're supposed to be. All of them. All of them.
There's a Sharpie over here.
Wait.
No, it
Let's
doesn't.
put
It's
all of them
dry
back.
already.
Put all of them.
Guys, look. There's a sink.
Oh, if somebody's building a home, you know where to get a sink. Wait, what is it?
Guys, look what we found.
What is it?
A school pencil sharpener. Guys, look. It's super cool.
Wait. Yeah, it's super cool.
And I'm gonna go get inside. Good.
What if it's closed?
It's open. But I wonder, is this open? Open! Let's go another room.
This is just a classroom. Okay. We found something.
Guys, look, this is a big room. This is probably a room for kids. Let's see. Rust kids, green. What's this? We're gonna erase it.
It was
Nurse. Actually, oh, it was like some names. Okay. Guys, look what we found. There's a bag. Star Wars episode bag.
I deleted some of the names. Wait. It's like colder.
It's really cool that we found this room. There's nothing like this.
Look.
There's no bathrooms yet installed.
There's nothing inside of here.
Okay, let's done doing it.
Why does anyone pray? Wait, can I try it, please? Wait, what is this thing? I found a baseball bat.
Okay, good job.
Wait. Remember there was a red ball somewhere in one of the boards?
Okay. Oh, you did it! Oh, cool, guys. Ready? Fail.
Wait,
Okay, last time.
Wait. Very lost.
You almost hit the camera.
I think the video is already.
Yeah, I think the video is still kind of too long. Okay, so
We're going to get out.
yeah, we're good. Okay. So that's basically it for this video. Like this video if you like these types of video.
This kind of.
Yeah. Comment down below to get in my next video.
And we're going to go away from.
Subscribe to
I
my
heard
brother's.
something.
Wait.
Like pee or something.
Okay, subscribe to my brother's channel.
Yeah.
And that's it. Bye.